And now to our first auctioneer. Without further ado, we welcome Andrew Milligan from Emmetts Real Estate. Please thank you and give him a big round of applause.
An impressive modern build in a tightly held industrial precinct and ready to move in. The perfect proposition for owner-occupiers and investors alike. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our vendors and Emmetts Real Estate, I'd like to welcome you here to the auction in busy Heidelberg West. Andrew Milligan is my name. Assisting me here from our office today are a number of our team situated amongst the audience, and I'm delighted to present the property here for you. The property we present for your competition today is described in the attached copy of title, volume number 10862, folio 883, lot 6, and is otherwise known as 85 Ravine Avenue, Heidelberg West. The vendor statement has been prepared in accordance with Section 32 of the Sale of Land Act and confirms the property is zoned and contains a certificate of title which confirms the property is zoned Industrial 3 and all other certificates are contained within. We sell the property today for a price that will be determined very shortly. We call for a 10% deposit and the balance in 90 days. At settlement, the vendor will provide the purchaser vacant possession. The Sale of Land Regulations 2014 clearly states that today's auction will be conducted in accordance with the rules and any additional conditions that were made available for inspection before the start of the auction. The auction rules prohibit an auctioneer from accepting bids or offers for a property after the property has been knocked down to the successful bidder. The vendors have a reserve price. As the auctioneer, I'll indicate bidders upon request. The law prohibits false bids, major disruptions by bidders, bidders attempting to prevent others from bidding, and provides fines for this conduct. The rules permit vendor bids. The words I will use during the auction to indicate I am making a bid on behalf of the vendor are vendor bid. By law, only I as the auctioneer can make a vendor bid. Is everyone comfortable so far? Are there any questions?
I'd just like to know, is GST payable in addition to the purchase price today?
GST is included in the purchase price today, sir. Good luck with the bidding.
Thank you.
Anything else? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I run a small manufacturing business and we make parts to supply to the caravan industry. Will this use be permitted in this zone?
Yes, sir. As Industrial 3, it should be included in this zone. Good luck with the bidding. Any other questions? Great. On behalf of our vendors, I'd like to publicly thank our vendors for presenting the property so well during this campaign. It's made our job of marketing it so much easier. Now, again, an impressive modern build in a tightly held industrial precinct and ready to move in. The perfect proposition for owner-occupiers and investors alike. Situated in this esteemed estate, you are well positioned to capitalise on Melbourne's north-east suburban growth corridor. According to Banyule City Council, over 600 businesses operate within this precinct, and a whopping 90% plus have indicated they have no intent, desire or future plans to leave. Considerations include access to training and education facilities, proximity to suppliers, and easy access to the Melbourne CBD by the Metropolitan Ring Road. The property has many sought-after features. Situated over 890 square metres, this two-level modern office and warehouse has a handy roller door that's at container height clearance, abundant parking, 14 in total, and is ready to move in. With no maintenance required, this property will make you proud to bring your customers here. For those investors out there, we have a queue of prospective tenants that are looking to get into this tightly held precinct. Now let's reflect. An impressive modern building an estate that's very difficult to get into and ready to move in. Properties in this precinct have sold for $1.5, $2, even $3 million previously, when they have been available. So I'm looking for a start. Who'd like to start me? Who'd like to get the ball rolling? Looking for a start of $1.1 million. Who'd like to start?
I'll give you 900.
900. Can anyone round me up to $1 million? $1.1 million? Sir, I'll take your 900.
Thank you.
We're at 900 here, looking for a round up to $1.1 million. 900 here, looking for a round up to 1.1. 900 here in the front.
I'll give you 20.
20? 920, thank you, sir. Looking for a round up to $1.1 million.
Quarter.
A quarter. 945. We're at 945 here. 945 here. We're at 945. Looking for a round up to $1.1 million. 945 here, the bid is 945.
20.
965. 965, the bid is here. 965, I'm bid 965.
25.
990, we're at 990 here. 990 here, the bid is at 990. 990, looking for a round up to
Same.
$1.1 million.
Same.
Same. 990, we're at 1.01. So $1,010,000. We're at $1,010,000.
50.
1,060. $1,060,000 here in the front. $1,060,000 in the front here. Looking for a round up to $1.1 million. We're at $1,060,000 here. Looking for a round up to 1.1. We're at $1,060,000 in the front here. 60. 60.
75.
175 here.
1,075.
$1,075,000. We're at $1,075,000 here. 75,000. Looking for a round up to $1.1 million. $1,075,000. The bid is down here at the front. $75,000. First call. Second call. Third call at $1,075,000. I'll vendor bid at $1.1 million. We're at $1.1 million. I invite you back in at $1.2. We're at $1.1 million. Looking for a rise of 20.
1.11.
1.11 here. 1.11. So I invite you back into the bidding. We're at $1.11 million here. $1.11 million.
10.
10. 1.12. We're at 1.12 here.
15.
15. We're at 1.135 here.
10.
135,000. 145,000 there. 1.145. We're 145,000 down back there. First call. Second call.
Yep.
Confirm your bid, please, sir. 10. 1.55. We're at 1.155. $155,000 down the front here. Bid is at $155,000. 1.155 down the front.
25.
25. 1.180. We're at $180,000 down the back there. Thank you, sir.
5.
Looking for a rise of 20.
5.
I'll take your 5. 1.185 here. $185,000 there, sir. Down the front, the bid is here at $1.185 million. $185,000 with this gentleman just here. 1.185. First call. Second call. Third call at $1.185 million. Looking for a rise of 10. Looking for a rise of 10. We're at $1.185 million with this gentleman just here. I can confirm the property is on the market at $1.185 million. We will be selling today. We're at $1.185 million with this gentleman just here. Looking for a rise of 10. $1.185 million. Looking for a rise of 10 at $1.185 million. Looking for a rise of 10 here. $1.185 million. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an impressive modern warehouse. A warehouse you'd be delighted to bring your customers down to. We're at $1.185 million, looking for a rise of 10. Looking for a rise of 10 here. Looking for a rise of 10.
25,000.
1.205. We're at $205,000 here, down the back.
My bid's 1.21.
Sorry?
My bid's 1.21 million.
1.21.
Yep.
It is too. Thank you for reminding me, sir. We're at $210,000 here. 1.21. The bid is down the back there at $1.21 million. First call. Second call at $1.2 $1 million. Sir, can I invite you back in for another bid here? Surely this property is worth another $10,000. No, thank you for your bidding, sir. Sir, can I invite you back in here? Exceptional building, another $10,000, sir. I think it could be worth it for you. No, sir, thank you for your bidding. We're at $1.21 million down the back there. $1.21 million. Ladies and gentlemen, when the contract hits my hand, we will be selling the property.
10,000.
10,000. Thank you. Thank you. 1.22, sir. We're at 1.22.
5,000.
1.225. We're at 225,000 down the back there. 1.225,000. 1.225. 225,000 down the back there. First call.
10.
1, 2, 3, 5. We're at 235,000 there. 235,000 down there, down the front. 235,000. 1,235,000.
Yeah, two and a half.
2.5. 237,500 here. 1,237,500 down the back there. First call. Second
Same.
call.
Same.
Same.
1.24.
1.24 million. We're at 240,000.
Two more.
242,000 there.
1.
243,000. 243 here. 243. We're at 243 down the front. 1,243,000. 243,000. Looking for a round up to 245. We've round up to 245. We're at $1,243,000. 1.243. Looking for a round up to 245. The bid is here. Make no mistake, ladies and gentlemen, we will be selling the property today. When the contract hits my hand, we will be selling the property today. I cannot reopen the bids. No late bidding. If there's any other bidders out there, now is the time to bid, because once the contract hits my hand, we will be selling the property. We're at $1,243,000 here, down the front. First call at $1,243,000. Second call at $1,243,000. Third and final call.
2,000.
Sir, 2,000?
Yep.
$1,245,000 down the back there, sir.
1,000.
246. 246. We're at 246 down here. $1,246,000 down the front here. $246,000. We're at 246 down the front here. Yes, sir.
247.
247. 247,000. 248. 248. 248. 1,248,000.
2,000.
250. 250 down the back there. 250. Who's going to give me another 10? We're at 250.
My last 2,000.
252. You've been a great bidder, thank you, sir. 252,000. 252,000 down here, down the front. Looking for another 10. 252,000. 252,000. 1,252,000. First call. Second call. Third call at 252,000. Sir, can I invite you back in for another 5? Even 3. Bring me up to 255. Thank you, sir. You've been a great bidder. Sir, surely this is worth another $10,000 to you. Even 20, 30, 40, 50. No, you've been a great bidder. $1,252,000 down the front here. Make no mistake, we are selling the property today. If anyone's waiting down the back to bid, now is the time, because the property will be sold. First call at $1,252,000. Second call, $1,252,000. Third call, $1,252,000. Are you all done? Are you all silent? Are you all finished and out? Because we are selling, sold.
Well done.